Hello, today we are going to be making one of my family favorites, braised tofu. This is super simple. I do it in, one sec. We do it in these little clay pots. Very few ingredients, really delicious. Let me show you how to do this. You don't need a lot of ingredients. We need some green onions, a couple of eggs, some flour, white pepper. We need ginger, garlic. You're going to need some Shaoxing wine. You'll need some light soy sauce and a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, the first thing we want to do is prep the aromatics. So we are just going to clean this piece of ginger up a bit. I like a lot of ginger. You can definitely get away with about half this. You can just use a peeler like this. Take off the skin. Sometimes when I'm feeling super rushed, I'll just use the back of a knife. We're just going to saute those in the bottom of our clay pots. So this is just a really rough chop, okay? Okay, so we're going to heat up our clay pot, just add in a little bit of neutral oil. And we toss in our aromatics. Okay, we don't want to get anything brown here, just want to wait until this is fragrant. And then we're just going to fill this up with our stock. So just fill this up to about a 3/4 line. We're going to bring that to a boil and then let it simmer. Okay, this one, we're going to have two different ones, one with mushrooms and one without. I got someone in the house who's not terribly fond of mushrooms. We're going to bring this to a boil, let it simmer while we prep the tofu. We're also going to add about 1/4 cup of Shaoxing wine, 1/4 cup light soy, 2 little pinches of white pepper. We'll reduce to simmer, and we're going to leave this while we prep our tofu. Okay, we'll prep our little dredging station. Throw about a cup of flour in there. 2 eggs. Okay, this is actually really simple. Just remove your tofu from the package, and what we're just going to do is cut it into about 1.5 centimeter thick slices. Okay, let's set this up a little better. So here's the trick. You're going to take your tofu and you reverse dredge it. It goes into the flour first, and then it goes into the egg, and then it goes into a frying pan. You want that egg on the outside, just like that. We're going to go through the whole thing. We're going to dredge them right into the frying pan, and then we're going to put them right into the braising liquid. Okay, some more neutral oil into a pan. I like to use a little non-stick pan for this. As the oil's hot enough, they wash tofu right into the pan. We want to just flip them when they're nice and golden brown. As soon as they're golden brown on the other side, we're going to put them right. Once we got all the fried tofu in there, there's really not much more to do. We're just going to let this braise. We're going to add in some green onions. So just add green toppers. We just add a little bit of sesame oil now. We've got a tablespoon. And that's it. You want to drop that temperature right down to low. Put a lid on it. This is such a simple dinner. It's just a tofu soup with a little bit of steamed rice on the side. And I always like to do just an extra veggie. You can do any greens that you want. I love doing gailan, Chinese broccoli. Just take the ends off. And if I've got more time, I'll go through each one and split them like this. But I kind of just stack them high. I do my best. And I just... We're talking speed to the table tonight. And I just split them open on the bottom like that. And it just reduces how much time they have to steam. And all you do is you just steam them in salted water, drain them, and we're going to add a little bit of oyster sauce to them. But After about 30 minutes of braising, this is developed into a very rich, very flavorful broth. Tofu's nice and soft, and you're ready to go. Let's eat. So this is it. So simple. Just grab a little bit of that tofu. I've been eating calorie intense meals lately. This is very light and refreshing. See you next week.